Cimetrix came out of Brigham Young University where they were doing research on open source controllers, PC-based controllers. And they had a unique way of looking at it. At the time, most of the robot controllers were proprietary, so vision, motion, everything putting together in an open controller. And that's how they got to work with other companies like Motorola, and then they slowly became a company, and then they got listed in the stock market. And in 2015, it became private again, and now it is primarily doing from controllers as they became more and more commoditized. So they did more. Cimetrix has mainly been in the communications business and control. So when you have most of the motion and vision taken care of, then you want to do communication protocols, you want to do UI, you want to do scheduling, and we implement all those aspects of it.